first Valentine's Day look of the year. It's gonna be a little over the top. Definitely not something you'd actually wear on a Valentine's Day date, but I wouldn't really know because I've never really been on a date. But anyways, you're gonna see my sister in the background with the TV on because we're watching a movie together, and so you're gonna see her and stuff like that. So don't be scared. She looks about like how I do right now. She's giving me a good look. Anyways, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And let's get started. Alrighty, so this is my Hecka pink type of look. Definitely not something you'd actually wear on Valentine's Day, but I think it's super like cute and like baby dollish. I don't know. Get out of here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you babies next time. Bye guys.